Hello, it's Richard M3FHI. Yeah, I'm staying in until the Amazon people have delivered their little package. I'm waiting for the fluffy bit that goes on top of the camera, so that it will stop the wind from making as much noise as what it did. So when that comes, I'll be quite pleased, because I want to go round to my mum and dad's today. I don't want to stay in. It's it's almost 10:30 in the morning, and yeah, I want to do something. Yeah, see me mum and dad, that'd be nice. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting, like I said, these little fluffy bits on the microphone. Just hurry up, Amazon, hurry up. Okay, see you in a second. Yeah, hi guys. I am sort of messing about building my antenna at the moment. I've made this. There's me balun, and on top of that I've got to put me 50 ohm coaxial cable, and that is going to go from the loft down into me ATU. Or in the cable near this, I've got to do about 4 or 5 loops. So it'd be a choke then, and that'd go down the coaxial cable down to an ATU, antenna tuner unit, and from there straight to my radio. But this wire at the moment, the whole length of it is 20 foot, but I've cut it in half and put each end onto these little bits here, and well, 10 foot each way still isn't good enough. I've got to get it down, the whole length of the antenna down to 16.478 feet, and half of each length, I should say, as I've cut it in half, it's 8.379 feet each length. Well, it isn't yet, but that's what I've got to get it down at. I think I've got to as it's 20 feet, it's I don't know, 2 foot 9 inches I've got to take off of this, I reckon. I don't know, that's a big guess. Anyway, as I've done that now, I'll keep you apprised. I'll tell you what's going on, and once it's up and ready, I'll show you everything. So I hope it works, I really do. I'm looking forward to me first contact on it. That should be quite interesting. Okay, see you in a minute. Right, yeah, I've just what I've just got a second ago was this. Well, it came around about 3:45, and it looks totally weird, but I'm actually over the moon. I've got that. I'm absolutely over the moon. But I'll go outside in a moment and do a bit of filming with it, and hopefully it's not caught the wind that much. But I'll give it a little play, see what happens, see what the audio is like, and well, people keep saying, "Oh, it's lovely, you know, it's brilliant." But well, as you've heard from the wind noises and stuff like that, when I've been talking on there, it wasn't that good. So I'm going to go out just for a very quick walk and see, you know, and talk to you on here and just see what it's like, and hopefully hopefully you won't get that noise. Okay, I'll see you when I'm outside. Okay, I'm on my way down to the shop, and yeah, hopefully the audio will be okay. But the moon is out. I'm going to try and zoom in onto the moon if I can. That wasn't very good, but not very clear. Right. Okay. Mind you, this fluffy thing on top of me, your camera, looks like a flipping hairy caterpillar. Okay, so it's almost dark. I think within about 10-15 minutes it'd be totally dark. But if it was like this when I get home, we might go where it was really windy the other day. That'd be alongside the river, because it just doesn't feel really windy right now. I want to test this thing out. Okay, I'll see you later. Right, looks like the sun's down, and it's getting dark. I think I'm looking over where the sun was, but yeah, it's definitely getting dark now. I just hope this camera's good in low light. Okay, so I'll see you all when I get back indoors, because I'm absolutely freezing right now. Okay, I'm monitoring two repeaters at the moment. One on my handheld, which is a GB7EX, and at the moment that's on UK wide 235, and my System Fusion radio, this one, that apparently is on GB3DA. Yeah, the DA repeater, well, some people call it Daphne. So yeah, that's quite a good repeater. And we have the Monday Night Net on the computer. On that radio, on going through DA. I quite enjoy that. I do. And yeah, well, but I've got to go on Essex Ham's chat room during the Monday Night Net and ask them about this antenna, what I should really do, and have a good time at doing that, because I've had some real good chats for that repeater, but I've not really tried that chat room before. But yeah, I'll give it a go and have a laugh on Monday night. Okay, leave a thumbs up, and I'm going to say 73s, so leave us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll say 73s and catch you down the log. Bye bye.